have an activity in the morning at 7. Ours was canoeing, but we just wanted to stay in and just embrace the place and just, you know, because you're one with nature. Like, as I showed you guys, it's just nature, like nothing else. And we just wanted to do that, so we stayed in, and our ranger was very disappointed in us, but it's okay, because when you sign the indemnity form, they talk about crocodiles, and girl, that ain't cute, okay? That ain't cute. And there's a hippo, that ain't cute. That's my cultural animal, but that ain't cute. So yeah, so we did that. We went for we didn't do that, we went for breakfast. Breakfast is amazing, it's plated. Yeah, but they ask you what you want and whatever. So you still have your continental, which is like your cold meats and your pastries and whatever, but then your hot breakfast is plated. Amazing lunch. So we're going to breakfast. Sorry, Baba. It's very gloomy out, but who cares? They're feeling very good.
You want to know what?
No. Do you think it's rude to ask every sound?
You sound Chinese, you look Chinese.
It's pretty, no? It's just pretty.
Buffet?
I would think. Or continental. Oh shoot, you don't want to be in videos. Now there's a lot of people now. Oh look, they give you bowl.
No, for the short.
Where do you want to sit? There?
Yeah.
With the view. I think you can actually order other things.
Must be also something.
Only it's juice and coffee. I don't know if you want more coffee. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please bring me some Tabasco on my eggs.
Hi?
As I get a slice of bread.
So we slice of bread.
Yeah.
With butter. And those cold meat cheese.
You can also bring a bit of jam. No, I don't want those. We were too full for lunch. Yeah, so we just stayed in. And then the evening we were supposed to go on a sunset cruise, but because it was raining and the weather was we just stayed in and everything. So there wasn't much on day 2. However, day 3, which was yesterday, we got to go on a morning cruise, which was beautiful. Hopefully I have footage on that, don't remember. But we had breakfast before going to where? The cruise. And then we did that, we came back, it was hot. Yesterday was hot, it was like it never rained. Good morning. I feel pretty or whatever. Anyway, it's another day. Yesterday we did absolutely nothing because of the weather. It was rainy and whatever. not bad. During the day it was very warm still, but towards the end it was a bit chilly, but that didn't stop us. So all our activities for yesterday we moved to today. So we're starting off with the cruise. I'm not sure if we're going to have anything else later on in the day, but I'll keep you posted. I don't think I recorded much yesterday actually, but yeah, and also lack of network, so there wasn't much posts. Anyway, now we're having breakfast. I'll show you the breakfast when it gets here, but it was pretty much, no, the setup is pretty much the same as yesterday, but the food is a bit different according to Bay, because I was making myself look pretty first. So yeah, check you guys out when the breakfast is here. Today
Tomorrow.
Hi guys.
Okay.
I feel awkward speaking because it's quiet. What was that?
Oh. Was it a crocodile?
No, that was
So we are currently on the lake.
Fish. There's something snorkeling here. There's something sticking out the water there.
this thing that sticks out the water. What is the water? Yeah,
Stick.
Is it coming closer? Oh.
I don't know.
Press something on the stick.
Anyway, guys, we are on the lake as I said. It's a beautiful day out. I put suntan lotion on Bay and not myself. Is it coming closer to us?
Maybe we coming closer to it.
Yes.
So see the current is going over.
But now it looks like a
Oh what?
it just looks like a thing.
Piece of stick.
A stick.
It's a snorkel for something. It's coming closer.
Okay. So yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Yeah, it's really not the worst thing to wake up for coming out on the
Yeah.
There was only 2 people that came for that 7 o'clock trip at the end.
Is it?
Yeah, no one was too keen to wake up for that.
It must be beautiful.
No,
But
it's nice to see everything starting up in the morning, but the only problem is
please excuse the flies if you can hear them or see them. There's one in the camera. And then we went for breakfast, and we went on the cruise. We came back, we chilled, it got very warm in our room, even though you have a fan and you have an aircon. But we were like, it's a beautiful day, let's go to the pool. So we went to the pool, we chilled there, lazed around. And then eventually we were like, let's go to the spa. So we got a little spa treatment, which was amazing. He slept. He never sleeps through treatments. He slept. But it was very good. It just felt short, but it was very good.
Eventually.
Okay guys, here's yet another room tour. Both doors open, and when you enter, this is how it looks. You get a little chill area, the bed, there's a fan and there's an aircon. You get another, whatever this is called, this is just all our junk, and this is your coffee machine. You can make your own coffee, place to put your whatever. This is the bathroom with an amazing shower. And then you also get a breakfast nook, as I would call it. And it's here. And you can watch the butterflies and everything. This tree has a lot of bees. Like a lot. Oh, that's a bumblebee. Or a blister or something. You guys, look at the polka.
Hallo Bokkie. Gaan het Bokkie?
Vlog the guys. They're just chilling. They're just chilling with us. So that's how you call it, right? Look at him trying to be a hero, but the water is too cold for him. Go meet it on that side.
We must just go there to the thing.
Look at him trying to save the grasshopper, but look where he is.
I'm not going to this. It's a wooden knife in my hands.
It's
my feet.
cool. I think maybe if you get in by the sun side. We are having a little R&R time.
We're drowning now.
Please look at this man. The best. Anyway, like I was saying, we are having a little R&R time at the pool before our little pamper session. Because what holiday is a holiday without massages, right? What holiday is a holiday without massages?
Jump into the middle.
Go dive in, Baba. For the past 2 days here. Today is like our first sunny day, and it is crazy sunny, and all the animals literally came out to play. What? Does it feel good?
Delicious.
Exactly. He did everything to save that grasshopper. Get you a man that cares about animals and the universe. Did you get it?
I got it. Don't jump back in.
How is it already jumping? It's probably so grateful. Look at it, like nothing ever happened. But turn around as well. Don't face this direction. Oh, look, it flies. So, we are on our way to find the spa. And my leg feels like it tapped out. And then went back to lazing around, editing videos, lazing around. And then we just came back to our room. Later on, Jordan came and said, do we want to go on a game drive? And our request to him was, 1, will we see an eagle? He said, yes, possibly. And I was like, 2, will we see giraffes? It's like, yeah, possibly. Whatever. He legitimately took us everywhere, like literally to the end of this whole game reserve, like looking for everything that we asked for, literally, only for us to find it where we get the sound downers. That was hilarious. So we saw everything we asked for. at the little watering hole there, and I captured the sunset. Or they give you, for every activity, they actually give you drinks. They give you whatever you want. There's ciders, there's cool drinks, there's beers, and they give you little snacks as well, which is such a cute little touch. So yeah, he took his time just to, you know, take us everywhere and help us find or see the animals that we had requested, which was really amazing. And then we just sat there, watched the sunset, met amazing couples, and yeah, just amazing. And then we drove back for dinner. When we got to the restaurant for dinner, we felt like, you know what, we're gonna go eat in our room. And they were so sweet, like amazing people. They literally brought our dinner to us in our room. Literally starter, they brought the starter and the main, and then they brought us the dessert a little while after. As usual, please like and comment for part 3.